Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm bringing you a music player for your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, open the Play Store app, tap on the search bar, and here you'll type the name of the music player, which is called Audify. Audify Music Player is the name of the player. Yeah, there are two here that look similar. Is this one here the Audify? No, wait a second. Audify player isn't this one, it's the other player. I think they're both the same. Let me check here. Okay, this is the correct player. We're gonna tap on install, okay? Wait for it to download, and once the player is downloaded, you'll tap here to open it, okay? You'll tap on allow all when it pops up for you. Here under music, you can see all the songs you have on your phone or memory card. Here we tap on consent. So here you'll be able to see all your songs. If you've transferred several music folders to your phone, you'll go to the albums option. Here you can choose the music folder you want to listen to. Then you'll click the play button and you'll be able to listen to all the songs in that folder, okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help you. If I did help, don't forget to hit like, leave your comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel for more videos.